Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about Tron guys. In this video I'm talking about the currently price changes occur in the Tron. Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, please click the subscribe button right now for more news and updates videos about your Tron guys. So guys, the current price of the Tron in the market is going wrong. I mean, only the latest price change is negative. And now the price of the Tron TRX in the market is 0.086423 USD dollar. That is the low and right now price of the Tron in the market. Furthermore, guys, if we talk about the changes occur in the Tron, so now you can see here, guys, last 1 hour changes is negative, last 1 day, last 1 week changes occur in the Tron TRX crypto is going positive in the market. Other side, guys, if we talk about the price chart, so you can see, guys, absolutely the price pump. If you look the last 3 days, from the last 3 days, the price decreased negative 4.93%. So if you look at the latest situation, so in the latest situation for a little time the price start pumping, but unfortunately in the latest situation the price again falls down. And you know what, guys, for the upcoming for the upcoming few days the price continue like that falls. Why? Because, guys, it is a last of month and it's the last of month, a lot of coin continue this kind of funds. So guys, don't take it serious and please hold, don't decide to sit, just hold for a long time. I hope you get a profit, not a loss. Please hold it. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates.